Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by preparing the essentials. Install Rode Connect on your computer and restart to ensure driver's load. Plug your Rode USB microphone directly into a powered port and watch for device LEDs or firmware prompts. Accept updates. Once done, launch Rode Connect and select your microphone as the default input and output within the app. Make sure the sample rate is set to 48,000 Hz for optimal sync with video and DAWs, and enable exclusive access only if you need dedicated input. You now route audio. Create a channel for each connected mic and set initial gain to keep peaks between -12 and -6 dB. Once channels exist, enable direct monitoring so you hear yourself with near-zero latency and assign the output to headphones or the system mix. Next, apply plug-in effects like EQ or a light compressor to shape tone. Listen while you tweak. If you plan to stream or record, use the app's routing matrix to send specific channels to desktop, OBS, or your DAW. Finish by recording a clean test clip and inspect the waveform for clipping or low volume. Adjust gain until peaks sit comfortably below zero. Save channel presets so you can recall levels and effect chains instantly. Then route the app output to your recorder, streaming software, or DAW. If you encounter issues, first restart Rode Connect and the microphone, check USB cable and port power, and reassign the device in app settings. This often resolves dropouts or sample rate mismatches without deeper troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.